Also, I'm going to show you the method of the quirky. So you would search up keywords such as quirky, sort by newest, and also like already without sorting by newest, there's a bunch of really interesting products already. Like look at these really cool, interesting products. Like this is cool. I think I've tested this like 2 years ago and it didn't do too well. But might have another shot. But you can see how there's really, really cool products. And you want to either just keep on scrolling and go to next page. The deeper you go, the better the products I found, or sort by newest. And this is sort of the things that, like, this is interesting. I have no idea what it is. But this is sort of the strategy not many people do, and you just want to keep going to the next page, and the deeper you go, the better. And let's try other keywords such as interesting. Wow, this is a cool keyword actually. Like looking at these products, these are real. Like I remember, I think this is a shock toy. That's you can make a cool video. This is super interesting. Look, it's glasses that, like these are really good products that you can market to parents. Or like, yeah, parents, they'll buy it for their kids. Halloween's coming up, so this would be cool. But yeah, like there's just so many products here. Like I think this is one of those really hot keywords. Look, shock pens. Like, wow, this is like a bit funny, I guess. But yeah, so interesting.
I'm gonna type in the word that you typed in. Just gonna check and get the same.
Yeah, and then you could type in other keywords such as quirky, interesting, unique.
Yeah.
Unique is a good one. Oh, unique, you get pretty cool stuff. Cool watches. Watches do pretty well, but wow, look at this. What the hell? This is a crazy watch for $2. What? Like, imagine you just do an image photo ad with the first one. Like, that's the photo ad. No, this one. And you sell it for like $9.99. This could potentially do really well as like a nice, like, fun watch. So I'll link this to you. But you want to build up a bunch of keywords. Those are 3 keywords I gave to you. But yeah, eventually you'll come up with more. Let me think of one more keyword to give you. Funny. That's another keyword. Yeah. Meme glasses. Yeah, funny is pretty good. Funny is pretty similar to interesting, but you get different products. So yeah.
Yeah. Like even just funny, weird.
Oh yeah, weird's a good keyword.